So I've put stuff in there, I think that's stoneware, that's earthenware, and that's terracotta. So I've also got under there where that jug is, that is a heavy grog, terracotta. So the sort of thing that you use for making outdoor plant pots and stuff like that. Okay, this is the next day in the morning. All that clay I put in some water to reclaim is here. I'm now going to put it onto, this is my large platter mould. I'm going to put it on the underneath of this, which is made out of plaster of Paris, so it will absorb. I'm going to put it on the underneath. I don't want to ruin my top here. So it will absorb the water, and I'll be able to give the clay a good knead. There's probably a more technical word for that. Anyway, I will get all the air bubbles out of it. Makes all the molecules come together nice and smoothly, because clay has a memory, and you want to get rid of that memory and make it all fresh so I can use it. And that's what I'm going to do now. I managed to, so I got that much out, as you can see. There we go. I got that much out. It's pretty messy. Now, the bottom of this was still a bit, it wasn't hard, but it hadn't really soaked up enough moisture, so I just took off the bit, that stuff that was really sloppy. So we don't want any lumps and bumps in this. We want it to be all sloppy. It's just like playing in mud. Well, it is playing in mud, and it gets all over you. So I'll leave it there. I'll come back in a couple of hours because I haven't got a large place to work, but I don't really need a large place to work. It's only me here, and I just potter on, as they say. So yeah, leave it there. This plaster mould will absorb the water, and because that's all soggy and all really sloppy, that's the word, sloppy clay, it'll absorb, it should absorb the water quite well. And I'll come back and I'll give it a knead. I'll turn it over, give it a knead, and I'll store it in a plastic bag and then do my next batch. And while that's doing, I might go, I've got some bisqueware that needs painting. I've got some mugs. I might film myself doing some painting some mugs. Got to think of a design. I might do some pirate skull mugs first to get me back in the flow. Oh, my watch is telling me. My watch is telling me to go and have a cup of tea. That's an excellent idea. of here. That's it. Take my rings off. Take my watch off. You okay, Mickey? Yeah, Papa. You comfy there? You blankie. Hello, baby. You both there? Nice and cool in there. Good. My polytunnel has exploded. I haven't been in for a week. One thing and another. And it's just gone absolutely mental, is all I can say. It's gone crazy. My weeds have all come up well. Everything has gone loop-de-loop-de-loop. Look at my sunflowers here, aren't they gorgeous? Somewhere in there, oh there we go, I've got cucumbers. I don't know where, but everything seems to be doing happily. Everything seems to be more than happy. So, it's just crazy, isn't it? Okay, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Isn't it crazy, Mickey? Yeah. Oh, that's come off and it shouldn't. Hold on a second. Let me just... And I haven't even looked outside yet. I'm just watering. I was just feeding my tomatoes. I thought, oh, goodness me. Everything seems to be going loopy. The carrots are okay. Do you need some water? Oh, it's nice to see everything going well. Let me just check out here. It's been throwing it down, so I'm sure everything's fine. Strawberries have got flowers on them. I can't actually tell the difference between vegetables and grass. That's the trouble about here. My onions are looking good. I think I should take out them potatoes out the back. I think I'll do that tomorrow. I've been doing pottery all day, so... Right, we've had nothing but rain. Since we had nothing but sun, we've had nothing but rain. You coming in?